tips was considered fine. Easing over boosters on display, I'd be able to afford the crap someday. Now that our dreams have been torn apart, on your son still unscented at heart. Not according to the master plan, at least I still have my trust in trying hand. Now into the mysteries of my present, journey to the unknown, of wrapping around the sun. Pieces of cardboard. How could I have known we would come this far? It's not too late to make amends. This can't be how our story ends. Burning in my soul like a shining star. This might be full of Charizard, so let us open up some Pokemon cards. How could I have known we would come this far? Even though my heart will break, lasagna is just a pasta cake. Burning in my soul like a shining star. This might be full of Charizard, so let us open up some Pokemon cards.
Weird. What's good, guys? I'm Otto, the Metal Cake, and welcome to my humble abode, where all of your dreams come true, nothing is impossible, and we open up some Pokemon cards. Today, I was wondering, why do we watch people open up Pokemon cards? Why are you watching me right now? Is it nostalgia? Maybe. Or maybe you've had a tough day. I mean, the world is a difficult place out there, and now you'll be able to grab a drink, chillax for a while, and live vicariously through me, going against all odds of pulling anything good from a Pokemon pack. Other possible reasons might be peace, love, metal, and the salvation of mankind. And with that in mind, let us delve into the Sword and Shield figure collection. So check it out, guys. Sword and Shield figure collection. 3 friends ready for adventure. When Pokemon friends and first partners stand together, the road to adventure is clear. Or so they say. We got a bunch of boosters, a nice figurine, and a promo. And fun fact, this promo, as some of the others, used to be a Japanese Pokemon Center exclusive, but now we finally have it in our grasp. We get the promo to the side. Here's once again what we find inside. The figurine, 2 Rebel Clashies, 1 Cosmic Eclipse, and Guardians Rising. Here's the promo once again. I think it is adorable, as is the figurine. It's actually quite high quality. They have a vinyl sort of coating on them. And then we get the code card, which probably will not give you the figurine in the online game, but maybe something. Starting off with Guardians Rising. See? Code card! What's interesting is that I see a bit of damage on one of the corners of these cards. Psychic Energy. Mallow. Ultra of the Moon. Weapon Bell. Stuffle. Alolan Senshu. Cotton E. Bellsprout. Ligar. Another Mallow. A reverse hollow form. And the Hula Hula Bird. Cosmic Eclipse. Hoping for those full art trainer cards. Oh yeah, this is great. Code card. Hoping for metal. Goddamn. Oh, that's a tag team. Cynthia and Caitlin. Ends resolve. Vesta. The panda. A mole. Pasta. Ivy. Look. Very nice. Tusco. Solgaleo reversal. Now this is metal. And a walrus. Time for the rebel yell. Shout out to the airplane. Code. C. Darkness energy. A hat. Oh. Pokeball. A lamp. Another hat. Side to side. The hell? Seagull. Coffee. There. Yeah, that's a reverse, huh? So that's there and Infizant. Last pack magic, LPM. Or in other words, let's pull metal. Good card. Let's get it, let's get it. Ah! Lombre. Halucha. Indeedy. Haha, he shinks. Sandcastle. Roly-Coly. Alright there, buddy. Stunky. The adorable face. Clefairy. Speed energy. And the reversal looks pretty nice. And Sir Fetch D! So here's today's catch. Everything worth mentioning. All the reverse hollows and the Sir Fetch D. And the ends resolve. And Cynthia and Caitlin. Oh, why they are there? Well, because they got their hair game on point. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for spending some time with me, Otto the Metal Cake. Comment down below something nice for your fellow humans. Like the video, maybe subscribe. I will catch you in the next exciting episode. The best! Yeah, that was it.